What are the Sharp TV Universal Remote Codes?
Hello, and welcome to our guide on the various Sharp TV Universal Remote Codes. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know to get your remote synced and ready to go with your Sharp TV. Whether you're dealing with a lost or damaged original remote or just want the convenience of using a single remote for multiple devices, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in.
What are Universal Remote Codes?
Universal remote codes are unique sets of numbers assigned to each brand or model of television. These codes are used to program your universal remote, allowing it to control the designated device. It's like teaching your remote a new language to communicate with your TV. For Sharp TVs, these codes typically range from 3 to 5 digits.
Sharp TV Universal Remote Codes.
Here are some common Sharp TV Universal Remote Codes that you can try. 3-digit codes: 002, 013, 014, 111, 502, 509, 712, 812, 813, 913, 918 to 4-digit codes: 0039, 0093, 0165, 0386, 5-digit codes: 10,093, 10,165, 10,386, 11,602. Remember, the specific code that will work for Dumite Veta and the model of their Sharp TV.
How to program your remote with the code.
After you have your code, you'll need to program your remote. Here's a general step-by-step guide. 1. Turn on your Sharp TV. 2. Point your remote at the TV. 3. Press and hold the TV button on the remote until all the other buttons light up, then release. 4. Enter the universal remote code from the list above using the number buttons on the remote. 5. If the code is valid, the TV button on the remote will blink twice. If the button only blinks once, you may have entered an incorrect code or a code that isn't compatible with your TV model. So there you have it. That's everything you need to know about Sharp TV Universal Remote Codes. We hope you found this guide helpful and are now on your way to enjoying your viewing experience. Remember, it might take a few tries with different codes, so don't get discouraged if the first one doesn't work. Keep trying, and you'll get there. Thanks for tuning in.